Hello friends, welcome to another series of how to write some basic Chinese characters. Today we're gonna write the Year of the Tiger 2022. This one is 虎. The third tone goes like a hair then up. 虎 means tiger. Hopefully will be a better year for most of us. Okay, let's begin. The first stroke we start from here. Feels like half a cross on top of the tiger, just half one. A little stick here, not a full one, you see. The left side gone missing because eaten by the tiger. We finished a longer one, then a shorter one, not so long. The third stroke comes from here. Like this, much longer one. Then little teeth of the tiger, don't forget his little teeth, that's done. Then we look from the side of the tiger, that's his skin, like this, being blown to the left. The next one will start from here. Looks like the tiger's angry eyes. Also been blown to your left side like this. Next one, another little teeth. This character also means number 7 in China. Okay, the last 3 is very easy. We come to the square, we call this 田字格, the square fields. That's how we learn how to write Chinese when we are little. Come from here, the bottom parts of the fields, still blowing to the left. A lot of things have been blowing to the left, like this one, that one, and the little teeth. Okay. We are done being blown to the left. Not touch the bottom, but slightly shorter than the outside one. The next one, like this. Then a little tick. So for tiger, 3 little ticks. First one, the teeth, the eyes, then the little tail. We are done. Let's write it again. The first one, half across. Half across like this. Third one, his little teeth. Do again. I have changed a different pen. I like this one. I like the sparklies. Then the next one, blowing to the left. Then his angry eyes also been blowing to the left. His little teeth, or big teeth I should say. Then that's done almost. The last 2, actually this bit is only 2 strokes. The first one, second one, little tail. We are done. Tiger. The whole character of tiger, I would like to imagine is a tiger eating half the cross, feeling a bit tired, so sitting down on a bench, showing his teeth and looking a bit hungry. Okay, let's write it again. Use a different felted pen. Half a cross eaten by the tiger. Then his teeth. His whole body been blowing to the left because feeling hungry. Then his teeth. Here, little tick. Last one, sitting on a chair. Beautiful. This is a much better one. I like this one. Now I'm going to write with a pencil. First stroke. Second stroke. Third one. If without the little tick, this means upper beats in China. Without the tick, okay. Because a lot of Chinese characters, you can look at the upper beats or the lower beats. They mean completely different things. Or put them together, they mean something else. Okay, let's begin. It's not difficult at all. After writing it a few times, I'm sure you will master this. For example, this means upper beat, means up or above in China, this character. But because it's a tiger, so it have the little teeth here. We're almost done. How much fun is this to write some basic Chinese characters? Now the last one. So 3 teeth. First one, second one, third one. Done. The year of the tiger. You probably already know there are 12 animals in Chinese zodiac. Everybody belongs to one animal, but not depending on the month you were born, but depending on the year. So like 2021 is the year of an ox. 2022 is the year of the tiger. Like Western signs is depending on the month. Chinese ones always the year. If you are interested, you can also check out which animal you belong to. I think I have done another series. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson and all the best in 2022, the year of the tiger for you and your family.